Today we're gonna show you how
What Jesus did on the cross
yeah.
using water, pepper, and dishwashing. So, this is us, the water, and the sins is our pepper. So, when Kuya lie, this becomes a sin. When Mommy does bad things, this is my sin.
And how about Beas?
When Bea palo or does something that is not bad, so it's a sin. Something that is bad. And then, what did Jesus do? Jesus is the only one who can take away our sin.
Yeah,
He died for us, so our sins can be forgiven by our Father. So this is Jesus, the dishwashing. Okay. Kuya will, you dip. This is what will Jesus do to our sins. Okay, for example, we do good works. Even if we do good works, the sins cannot be removed. Okay, how about Kuya? Kuya does good work. You put your finger, you dip your finger. He cannot do anything. But when Jesus came into our lives, this is what Jesus did on the cross. You dip it, anak. This is Jesus. He cleansed away our sins.